Øk tsurt sum, the saas gau kolje. One man cut the barrage and 1,000 people fell into the river. Øk tsurt sum, the saas gau kolje. This proverb is used to denote that the bad deeds of one person can have impact on many others. Øk tsund dunya, the bay øk yiman, dunya the yiman, chun donway athiyawan. One man sought the world and another sought for faith. The world and faith both do not go hand in hand. This proverb in Kashmiri is used to denote the fact that the ways of the world and ways of the faith are different. So, if you want to be a pious person, you may not necessarily be a successful person in the world. Ek chand dunya, the bay ek iman, dunya te iman, chin donway athiyuman. Ek sund kasyane, bay sund guza. One person's vomit is another person's food. Someone lives on the leftovers of others. Öksund kasyane, besund gıza. Öksund dazan ab, the besun dazan til. One man can burn water, whereas another cannot even burn oil. This proverb is used to demonstrate how lucky someone can be. Öksund dazan ab, the besund n dazan til. Ökis dazan der, the bjakchus vishnavan athe. One man's beard is on fire and another man is warming his hands on it to take advantage of someone's misfortune. Ökis dazan der, the bjakchus vishnavan athe. Öch köin jan, the vat köin. It means it is better that the eye be blind than the ways of a person. Öch köin jan, the vat köin.